Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Greenhill in Herne Bay, taking a look at number 12 Clare Drive. Now this is a spacious detached bungalow giving you 2 double bedrooms, an 18-foot lounge dining space with doors through to the conservatory, family bathroom, separate cloakroom, plenty of off-road parking and no forward chain. Now, coming straight through in from the front hallway, we had that right-hand turn which takes you through into a fantastic utility room with front access into a portion of the garage which is now used for some further storage. We've got there the first of the bedrooms, and then of course that really convenient cloakroom there with the separate bathroom which we're taking a look at now. So it's nice that you've got the 2 toilets here at number 12 Clare Drive. You can see that you've got the integrated shower unit in the corner as well as the bath as well. So coming across from the landing of the hallway space here, we've got a fantastic modern kitchen. Again, you've got a range of fitted appliances here as well as space for further white goods. And then coming through into the rear of the property, we've got another fantastic bedroom. Lots of space to work with in here, plenty of room for the double bed, lovely view out across into the back garden where you get a little glimpse of that conservatory extension as well. Then on the right hand side you can see here that you've got a nice big range of fitted wardrobe cupboards. So coming back out from the bedroom into the hallway, we'll go through and take a look at a fantastic open plan lounge dining space here, measuring at about 18 feet. You've got lots and lots of room to work with here. You've got the access through into the conservatory as well, all giving you that wonderful access into the back garden. So from here it's good to just recap a few points on the property before wrapping up today's video tour. So this is number 12 Clare Drive, perfectly situated in Greenhill in Herne Bay for access through to amenities and transport links. The property itself is a spacious detached bungalow offering 2 double bedrooms, an 18-foot lounge dining space with the doors through to the conservatory and that really fantastic utility room. I really do hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.